What I'm about to show you here has kind of blown my mind. The quality of materials, attention to detail, the design, it all comes together in what I think might be the nicest all-in-one mini server project that I have ever seen. Check this out. This is the LCMD MicroServer that'll be available on Kickstarter here on the 26th of August. To be honest, I'm kind of beside myself with all of the attention to details they've put into everything from the unboxing experience to the design and materials. Let's dig into the LCMD MicroServer and check out their equally incredible AI pod. Hey there, home labbers, self-hosters, IT pros, and engineers. Rich here. This has been a wild experience for me. I don't think up until this point I've come across hardware and an unboxing experience quite like this, and I'm incredibly excited that I get to show you this stuff. In this video, we're going to take a look at the LCMD MicroServer and the LCMD AI Pod hardware, take a look at their features, and finally the software available for it right now. Which leads me to the formal stuff first. This is a sponsored video for the LCMD MicroServer and AI Pod, but don't click away. You need to see this hardware because it is impressive. Let's get to the technical details first. Let's start with the LCMD MicroServer. The LCMD MicroServer aims to be your NAS on steroids, with a focus on being a functional and reliable network-attached storage device, but also your central point for self-hosting with its own app store, KVM virtualization support, secure remote access anywhere in the world, home theater PC functionality, and more. All of this with the promise of being secure, decentralized, and with one-click deployments. The exterior is made of aluminum with an anodized finish that has an incredibly premium feel, with a design aesthetic reminiscent of a cyberpunk world. The system's cubic design measures in at 115mm wide, by 115mm deep, by 120mm high. Let's take a look at the physical connectivity on this unit. The LCMD MicroServer features an Intel-based 2.5 gigabit Ethernet connection, Intel Wi-Fi 6E wireless connectivity, 2 USB 3.2 Type-C ports, 3 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, a single HDMI 2.1 port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a dedicated barrel connector for power. Design aesthetics and external ports aside, let's talk about what hardware is packed into the LCMD MicroServer. The LCMD MicroServer packs a high-performance next-gen Intel i5-13500H CPU with 12 cores, 16 threads, a base clock of 2.6 GHz, and a boost to 4.7 GHz with a quiet and efficient cooling design that keeps the system under 30 dB of noise even under load. For RAM, the unit can be configured with up to 64 GB of DDR5 5200 memory. Primary OS storage is provided by a dedicated 512GB disk. Additionally, for data storage and NAS functionality, the unit features 2 internal 2.5-inch drive bays and 4 M.2 NVMe slots for storage, bringing the maximum total capacity of the LCMD MicroServer to 96 terabytes of total storage in this tiny box. Now, let's get to the software features of this system. The LCMD MicroServer is app-driven and supports Windows, Linux, macOS, iOS, Android, and Harmony OS. The app is your gateway to interacting with the microserver and accessing the myriad of different apps you'd want to self-host on it. Speaking of their app store, as of the time of my review here, there are over 1,800 different containers and apps. You'll find your favorites like Plex, Jellyfin, as well as unique apps like the LCMD AI Photo Album, and obviously so many more. Adding apps is as easy as a single click to deploy, and you're off and running, taking all the complexity out of manually managing your own Docker containers. Updating your installed apps is also just as easy with just a single click process. All right, now let's take a look at the LCMD AI Pod, which is also available as part of the Kickstarter as well. Equally exciting is the LCMD AI Pod that aims to be your one-stop source for all things AI. The LCMD AI Pod is built around the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin core platform, featuring a massive 275 TOPS and 64 GB of LPDDR RAM for serious AI tasks. The AI Pod can be bound to your LCMD MicroServer or used completely independently. The AI Pod comes pre-installed with Ubuntu Linux and is fully compatible with popular CUDA-based AI development frameworks, and can even act as your own instant AI workstation just by plugging in a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. The AI Pod is incredibly efficient, consuming just 15 to 60 watts of power, and with its unique cooling design, features ultra-quiet 24/7 operation. The AI Pod also features advanced multimedia processing capabilities, supporting up to 8K decoding and real-time video stream analysis, making it ideal for both edge AI and creators. For connectivity, the AI Pod features both 2.5 and 10 gig network connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi 6E, 2 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, a single USB 3.2 Type-C port, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a single barrel connector for power. The AI Pod is based on the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin core, which runs a 64-bit ARM Cortex-A78AE version 8.2 CPU featuring 12 cores and a boost clock of 2.2 GHz. For memory, the unit is packed with 64 GB of LPDDR5 memory. And for storage, the AI Pod features 64 GB of eMMC 5.1 storage for the base OS and 2 PCIe 4.0 4x M.2 NVMe slots for expansion, with a 1TB NVMe SSD factory installed. Now let's talk about the AI hardware packed into the system. The AI Pod is built around the NVIDIA Ampere architecture, which features 2048 cores, 64 tensor cores, and has a maximum frequency of 1.3 GHz. The unit also features 2 NVIDIA NVDLA version 2 deep learning accelerators with a maximum frequency of 1.6 GHz. All this hardware rounds out to be an absolutely incredible AI hardware system. Once you've bound your AI Pod to the microserver, you unlock all of the fantastic AI applications available. One of my favorites is the text-to-image app, where I can generate any image my mind can dream up. Seriously, just look at this ninja kitten. And it doesn't end there either. The AI Pod has a ton of different AI apps that allow you to access LLMs using industry-standard applications like Ollama, Comfy UI, and more. All of them running locally on the AI Pod. For those of you just interested in harnessing the power of a private AI paired with the LCMD MicroServer, out of the box, using their AI browser, you can run personal knowledge-based searches, do image text extraction, website translation and rewriting, advanced AI Q&A and search, as well as run your own local image generation from text prompts, auto-summarize YouTube videos, and transcribe and condense podcasts, all local, all built in, and with no extra costs. Now, you can check out all of the different options for both the LCMD MicroServer and the LCMD AI Pod before the Kickstarter officially launches on the 26th. They've got a deal going where you can put down a fully refundable deposit right now to get locked in on your hardware with VIP pricing when the Kickstarter goes live. There's more details to be found on their site at https://shop.lcmd.cloud. All right, go check out the LCMD MicroServer and AI Pod now at shop.lcmd.cloud and level up your self-hosting and AI game at home. Thanks for watching.